Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a savings account in Revolut. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances with ease. Creating a savings account in Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you have installed the app, you will need to sign up for a Revolut account if you do not already have one. To sign up, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After you have signed up for a Revolut account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account is secure. To verify your identity, you will need to provide a valid government-issued ID and a proof of address. Once you have verified your identity, you can create a savings account in Revolut. To do this, you will need to navigate to the Savings tab in the app. From there, you can click on the Create a Savings Account button and follow the prompts to set up your account. When creating a savings account in Revolut, you will need to choose a savings goal. This can be anything from saving for a vacation to saving for a down payment on a house. You will also need to set a target amount and a deadline for reaching your goal. Revolut also offers a feature called Vaults, which allows you to set aside a portion of your income into a separate savings account. You can create multiple vaults for different savings goals and set a target amount for each vault. In addition to vaults, Revolut also offers a feature called Savings Accounts with Interest. This allows you to earn interest on your savings, which can help your money grow over time. To get the most out of your savings account in Revolut, it is a good idea to set up regular transfers from your main account to your savings account. This can help you build up your savings over time and reach your goals. Overall, creating a savings account in Revolut is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and using the features and tools available in the app, you can easily manage your savings and reach your financial goals.